Hey everybody, Tony with the Po' Boy Adventures, backwoods of Kentucky. I guess I've lost my mind. Got a little ways into this hike and decided opening day of deer season was Saturday. Even though there shouldn't be nobody back in this area here, may not be a wise decision for me to make walking around. But anyway, this is where we're at. Back here in the bottoms. Headed to the bottoms anyway. We're on the ridge. All this Bigfoot country. We're looking for Bigfoot. You know it. Nonetheless, I think we're going to go back out a little bit into the closer to my property, and hopefully there won't be nobody trespassing and shooting little Bambis or anything. When we get down here in the bottoms, close to where we're at, we'll be actually right at the borderline. Could be some deer back in here. I know there's deer back in here. Unless Bigfoot scared them all away, they're still here. We see them right in the backyard and all kinds of sign down in this area all the time. Anyway, if you ever get a chance, get out and enjoy Kentucky. It's what we're doing right now. We're looking around and trying to enjoy a little bit of it. And, beautiful this time of year. Leaves are changing. A lot of them got real hot, real fast, changed and fell off. But if you can see behind me, I don't know if you can tell real good. Hand back around here and look. Right there's some good, pretty leaves. I'll try to take a few pictures, post in the actual video too. But we're going to head back up through here, just a little ways farther. And of course, I didn't wear no orange. Actually, like I said, I forgot about it until I'd already got halfway down in here. We've got some trails blazed back in here in our back country. So we appreciate you watching. And, haven't posted a video in a while. I may get back and edit a little bit of this one and see what's shaking. But look for more to come. I promise you we're going to have some good times. I'm already looking at getting the backpacking gear together. Joshua's Adventures and myself, and Kurt and Sean. Hopefully we'll take a little bit of a adventure here soon when it warms back up a little bit, catch us a warm weekend. Try to finish part of that trail that we started in the Sheltoy back in the spring, and where big dumb me didn't eat good breakfast. Got a little sick on the trail, so we had to call that trail short. But we're going to go back in right there around the Dog Branch part of the trail, continue on into 192. Might make an overnight, might make a two-nighter out of it. But like I said, we like to take it easy. I do anyway. I'm an old fat man. I just want to take my time and enjoy the scenery. This is what it's all about. Peace and quiet. No dogs barking. Out in the middle of nowheres. Who knows what's hid down here in these woods. More to that to come, hopefully. We may do a night investigation sometime, see if we can find some Bigfoot sign. And who knows what we'll find out later on when we get down in the bottoms. When deer season breaks, though, we're going to go to the bottoms. Right down this trail here, we'll get into a little bit better trail. And we'll be right in the bottoms, down in there behind us. I don't know if you can see that real good or not. But nonetheless, that's what we're going to be doing. So, Tony with the Po' Boy Adventures. And I had to become this one solo. My son's over there finishing up his college. Laurel County didn't get out for school on Veterans Day. I had a day off from work, and I wanted to get in the woods and do a little bit of a video. And hope you all enjoy. Until the next time, we'll catch you on down the trail. Tony with the Po' Boy Adventures. Brief update. I think I made the right choice. Hiked a little bit further back out from the last time I told you that I started into the woods and realized this was still in gun season. Sitting there shooting some video. Off in the distance, heard some gunfire. So in order for me to live to hunt Bigfoot again, oh, I love YouTube. I love the outdoors, and I love acting a fool. This is going to be fun. We're going to have a good time, y'all. Anyway, in order for me to live to hunt Bigfoot again, I plan on headed on back out. So, I'm going to walk on up the road just a little ways here. Not the road. Well, it's my road. Trail. If I don't fall watching the camera and hurt myself. So, anyway, again, what I was talking about, whenever you get a chance, get out. Get away from the TV. Get away from YouTube. Get away from Facebook. Unless you're watching my channel. Save that for the night. When you get back in the evening, sitting down, or in the mornings when you're sitting there drinking your coffee, check us out. But when it's pretty weather like this, breezy, warm, when there's snow getting ready to fall tonight, especially, get out and enjoy it. Stay active. Keep moving. The only way you're going to get to enjoy Kentucky. A lot of the places that we're going to go, you'll either have to get there by a kayak, be willing to go underground, and see how the videos work there, and start doing some caving as well. Or just hike, go back in the middle of nowhere. And we're going to try to shoot some video at night. Now, I don't have the most high-tech, sophisticated equipment. My buddy Curdy did give me a FLIR system. And if there's stuff to be found, we're going to find it. I guarantee it. But no, my clan thinks that I'm nuts. So, I'm going to be nuts. I'm going to have fun with life. I've worked all my life in emergency services. Seen a lot of stuff, helped a lot of people, and enjoyed what I'm doing. So now I'm going to do a few things to make people laugh. As long as I can, I'm going to make some people laugh. Whether it be our craziness or just seriousness that might make you laugh. But nonetheless, God's blessed me, and I appreciate all the viewers that check everything out. And move a little bit farther here. Got some sunlight coming over this. Boy, it's a beautiful Sunday. Getting ready to make my turn up here and go back down the big trail. So I've got to get through some briars. Tony, Po'boy Adventures, and we'll catch you up. Okay, made it through that little thicket. Let's go down through here a little ways. Section of the trail here that me and Austin did back the first of the year. Enter opening V-hit videos. So again, windy day. Shouldn't be no deer hunters up in here, so if somebody shoots me, you'll be live on. Maybe not. I may not post it. I don't know. Anyway, if somebody shoots me, at least I'll have a recorded record of me taking one for the team. But again, there shouldn't be nobody here. But hopefully they're not. Nice out here. That is for sure. Very nice. About dropped her. Don't want to drop the camera. Let's head back this way. A little course direction here. Getting more close to the bisection of the trail. Down the hill a little bit. Back up the hill a little bit. Walk this spider web. How the camera didn't get it, I don't know. Again, life's too short not to get out and enjoy it, people. Kentucky's got a whole lot of waterways. I read somewhere where they got 90% of navigable waterways or something in Kentucky. I don't know about 90%, but there's a whole lot right here in Kentucky. We plan on doing a little kayaking this year. Kayak camping. Doing a little Adventure time down around Laurel Lake, Buck Creek. They get the Rock Castle, not the Rock Castle, the Bee Rock Campground back in order. We're going to be probably taking our 10th trip down there, 10th annual trip down there. Last year we had to go to McCrory County. So, for our night gathering, we try to camp at least once a year. But I'm going to try to do a little more this year. At least get out in the woods and hike a little bit more. Maybe we'll enjoy the videos as much as we enjoy making them. Again, this ain't no big highfalutin elaborate outfit yet, but if anybody wants to send us camera equipment or anything like that, we ain't gonna turn it down. Again, like I said, the Home Pro inspectors, Curtis Wagers, give us a FLIR camera to use in our night investigations. So when we go out and start looking around in the nighttime for Bigfoot, let me tell you, has anybody for sure ever seen him? Maybe not. Has anybody for sure ever not seen him? Probably not. So how do you know? He's there. I think he's there. I've been doing a little bit of research. There's a lot of people that gets on there and says there's something out there. So whatever it is, the something here at Poor Boy Adventures, we're going to try to find out. We'll go from there. I thought I heard something. Guess not. Anyway, I'm back out. So in order to keep my location disclosed, I don't want any poachers. You know, people don't poach in Kentucky, right? Anyway, we're getting ready to get real close to where the trailhead is, so I'm going to get on off here, and we're getting low on battery as well. So, battery's going low, so I'm going to get on off here, and we'll see what's shaking later on. Tony, enjoyed the little small hike. Darn, I wanted to go farther. You only live once, maybe I will. Nah, I don't know. Is it worth it? It would be when we get down there. But I'll figure out something. Alright. Nonetheless, guys and gals, everybody out there in YouTube world, you know who you are. Appreciate you viewing. Like, share, and subscribe to this video on the page, the channel. Check us out. Do a Google search for Po' Boy Adventures. You should see some of my ugly mug on there. Some product reviews, different things we're doing. And I hope to have a whole bunch more very, very soon. Until next time, see ya on down the trail.